Hello, pioneers. My name is Dr. Cheng Dao Fan, one of the core team members representing P Network. Today, I am speaking to you with deep responsibility and transparency as part of our continuous mission to keep every pioneer informed about the real progress and long-term vision of P Network. Over the past years, millions of people worldwide have joined P Network with hope, trust, and belief in a new digital economy. Many started mining Pi easily from their mobile phones without cost or special equipment, making Pi one of the most inclusive crypto projects ever created. However, as we move closer to the full open mainnet phase, many questions have emerged about value, price, and why patience is still necessary. Today, I want to clearly explain why waiting is not a delay, but a necessary step toward building real long-term value. From the beginning, Pi Network was never designed as a short-term speculative project. Many crypto projects in the world focus on hype, fast listings, and quick profits, but often collapse when speculation ends, leaving the majority of users with losses. Pi Network was created with a different vision: to build a real, inclusive, and sustainable digital economy where everyday people can participate, not just early investors or traders. This is why mobile mining was introduced, allowing anyone with a smartphone to become part of the network and contribute to its growth. However, mining alone does not create value. Real value comes from utility, meaning real usage in everyday life. A digital currency only becomes meaningful when people can use it to buy goods, pay for services, and support real economic activity. Without utility, any token remains just speculation. That is why P Network has been focusing for years on building an ecosystem of real applications, merchant adoption, and developer tools that support real-world usage of P. As we approach the full open mainnet, it is important to understand what this stage really means. Open mainnet is a major milestone where the internal Pi ecosystem begins connecting with the external blockchain world. It enables broader connectivity, future integrations, and potential market interactions. However, it is very important to understand that open mainnet does not automatically mean an instant high price. Price is not controlled or set by the core team. It is discovered by the market based on supply, demand, utility, and adoption. For a stable and strong value to exist, the foundation must first be solid. This is why P Network is moving carefully. There are three key pillars guiding this process: utility, stability, and ecosystem growth. First, utility. Pi must be usable in real life. That is why the ecosystem is being developed with applications, marketplaces, and merchant integrations where Pi can be used for real transactions. When people can actually buy and sell using Pi, it becomes more than a digital asset, it becomes part of daily economic life. Second, stability. If a network is opened too quickly without preparation, it may face extreme volatility, panic selling, and market manipulation. This can destroy trust and harm long-term growth. By carefully managing the transition, Pi Network ensures that pioneers are protected and the ecosystem develops in a balanced and sustainable way. Third, ecosystem growth. Pi Network is not just a coin, it is a global digital economy. Developers are building applications, businesses are exploring integrations, and communities are growing worldwide. As more real use cases are created, demand for Pi naturally increases. And in any real economy, demand is what creates long-term value. Many pioneers are asking when Pi will reach a high price or bring financial success. The honest answer is that Pi Network is a long-term project, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Real value does not come instantly. It grows step by step through adoption, usage, and ecosystem expansion. Like all major technologies in history, from the internet to mobile systems, true value takes time to develop. Price discovery will happen gradually. In the early phase of open mainnet, the market may experience fluctuations as it adjusts. Over time, as utility increases and adoption grows, The value will stabilize based on real economic activity, not speculation. This is how all strong financial systems develop. Another concept widely discussed is global consensus value, or GCV. While community belief is powerful, real and sustainable value must always be supported by real transactions and real demand. Without actual usage, expectations alone cannot maintain long-term stability. That is why the core team focuses first on building utility and ecosystem strength before focusing on price narratives. Trust is the foundation of Pi Network. Over the years, trust has been built through transparency, consistent development, and strong community participation. However, trust must always be protected. Rushed decisions or unrealistic expectations can harm years of progress, which is why careful planning is necessary, even if it requires patience. To every pioneer, your contribution is extremely important. You are not just users, you are builders of a global digital economy. Every action you take, from mining Pi to completing KYC and supporting ecosystem apps, contributes to the future strength of this network. Nothing you have done is wasted. Everything is part of a long-term system being built, step by step. As we move closer to full ecosystem maturity, you will begin to see more real-world adoption. More businesses will accept Pi, more developers will launch applications, and more communities will integrate Pi into daily life. These are the true signs of progress, not rumors or speculation, but real usage and real adoption. It is also important to remain cautious of misinformation and scams. Always rely on official communication channels and protect your account information. Many fake platforms may try to take advantage of the community, so awareness is essential. In conclusion, Pi Network is entering one of its most important stages. The transition to full open mainnet marks the beginning of a new era where utility defines value, ecosystems drive growth, and real adoption shapes the future. This journey requires patience, belief, and long-term vision, but the foundation being built today will determine the strength of tomorrow. Thank you for your trust, thank you for your patience, and thank you for being part of Pi Network. The journey is not ending, it is only beginning.